Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain animal kingdom classification. So in the animal kingdom we have a different type of phylum and also different type of vertebrates and examples and general characters. So before going to the phylums and vertebrates, we have to know the classification of total animal kingdom. So in the Whittaker's classification, we have a different type of 5 classifications like fungi, algae, plantae and animalia. So here, according to zoology, we have to classify the animal kingdom. So in the animal kingdom, the main classification is 2 type, that is based on the presence of notochord. So based on the presence of notochord, the total animal kingdom divided into 2 types, that is non-chordate and chordate. So here non-chordate means the notochord is absent. So here it is also called as a invertebrates. There is lack of vertebrate or notochord. Then here chordate. So it is having the notochord and also it also having the vertebrate. So these are called vertebrates. So the total animal kingdom divided into 2 based on the notochord, non-chordates, chordates, or invertebrates or vertebrates. Then come to the non-chordate. So in non-chordate, notochord is absent. So in these also called as invertebrates. So in non-chordate we have a total 10 phylum. So first one is Porifera. This is also called as a sponges, means pore-bearing organisms. Example, sponges. Then Cnidaria. So it is the updated name. Earlier name is Coelenterata. Example organisms are Hydra. Then Ctenophora. This is also called sea walnuts and sea gooseberries. Then Platyhelminthes. These all are almost parasites and these called as flatworms. Then Aschelminthes. So this is also called as a nematoda, that is roundworms. Example Ascaris. Then annelid. In this we have a Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, Hydrodinia. Example earthworm, Nereis and leeches. Then arthropoda. So here arthropoda, jointed legs presence in arthropoda organisms. Example cockroach in crustacea, anthozoans, arachnida, all of comes under arthropoda. Then mollusca, shell bearing organisms and even though without shell also there. Example shell bearing organisms like snails, without shell octopus. Then echinodermata, example starfishes. And last one hemichordata. So example belanoglasses. So hemichordata is actually said about connecting link between the non-chordate and chordate. Why? Because it has a very few characters of chordates and most of the characters are belongs to the non-chordates. So that is why it is kept in the invertebrates. So these all are the phylums regarding invertebrates or non-chordate. So then come to chordate. So chordate means it have a notochord. It is also called vertebrates. So based on the notochord present, these are 3 classifications. Based on the notochord presence location. Where is the notochord present? Basis that Euro means tail region. The notochord presents at tail region. Here cephalochordata. The notochord present at head to tail region. Cephalo term always indicates head. So the notochord turns into head to tail region. Here only presents at tail region. Then vertebrate. So here the notochord replaced by the vertebral column, that is vertebrates. So based on the presence of notochord at the region only 3 types. Urochordata, cephalochordata, vertebrate. In again vertebrates we have a 2 type of classification, that is based on the jaw or even the bone. So if that is called anathostomata. A means absent. There is no jaw. That is anathostomata. So here example cyclostomes. Then based on the jaw, if the jaw is present, that is called gnathostomes. Means jaw is present. So these organisms again divided into 2 based on the locomotion, means movement. they can move from one place to other place by fins. It is called pisces. By the limbs, it is called tetrapod. So here, gnathostomes divided into pisces and tetrapoda on the basis of movement or locomotion. In the pisces, it is also nothing but fishes. In the pisces, it have a bony fishes and cartilaginous fishes. That is called astrichthys, chondrichthyes. Then tetrapoda. By the help of limbs, they can move. That is called tetrapoda. In tetrapoda, we have a 4 vertebrates, amphibia, reptelia, aves, mammals. So this is the classification of chordate. So in the chordate, we have a 3 type of classification: presence on the location of notochord. If it is in the tail region, these are urochordate. If it is in the head to tail, cephalochordata. Then it is replaced by the vertebral column. This is vertebrate. So in vertebrates based on jaw, anathostomata jaw absent, gnathostomata jaw is present. Then again, gnathostomata divided on the basis of locomotion, pisces, tetrapoda. In pisces means fishes, astrichthys, chondrichthyes, bony fishes, cartilaginous fishes. By the help of limbs, they can move. That is called tetrapoda. Tetra means 4 here. Here we have a 4 limbs and hind limbs. That is amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammals. So the sequence of phylums also very much important in the MCQ. And the class, first of all, we have to know the classification is very much basic need to read the all type of animal kingdom. So we have to know the general characters of each individual phylums and what are the examples and what are the common names and special features regarding the all phylums and all vertebrates. So this is the classification. First of all, we have a look on the classification. If we keep in mind, then the next step will be easy to us. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.